soon. Get ready. Zones are active. The enemy's attacking Delta. Back in the lead. Enemies are targeting you now. Enemy soldier incoming.
Enemy is down.
We control Bravo.
Enemy visual.
Squad mates redeploying. Well done. High value zone identified. Lock them down to earn points back. Enemies dropping into the AO. Need mid-caliber rounds. We control Delta.
Moving this way.
Zones are relocating soon. We hold the zone. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Zone located. Get them secure. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
We've got an armor box here.
New zones coming online. You got reinforcements inbound. Zones online. The enemy's attacking Delta. We're attacking Delta. Enemies dropping into the AO. The enemy's attacking Delta. Flanking here. Good work. We control Foxtrot. You got reinforcements inbound. High value zone located.
Careful, area's hot.
Enemy soldier incoming. You're halfway to victory. Stay in control.
Enemy marked. Enemy visual. Well on there.
15 seconds left. We lost the lead. You're no longer being targeted. Objective
I'm hit!
Full Foxtrot.
Stun! Look out!
15 seconds before zone relocates. Enemies attacking Gulf. We control Gulf. Two zones identified. Get them locked down. There he is. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the scout. New zones online. Squad mates redeploying. Well done. We control Alpha. We control Bravo. Bravo is compromised. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. We're losing this. Control those zones. High value zone is online. We're attacking Bravo. We got reinforcements inbound. Squad mates redeploying. Well done. Last chance. Control those zones. We control Gulf. Enemy soldier in. We are returning you to the front. Earn this. Reinforcements inbound. We're testing Echo. Enemies dropping into the AO.